Hello everyone. This question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Symmetry. This is 6th question of its exercise 13.2. So the question says that trace each figure and draw the line of symmetry if any. So in part A, आपके पास एक ट्राइंगल है जिसकी हर एक साइड को हमने एक्सटेंड किया है. सो यहाँ पे हमारे पास कोई लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री नहीं मिलेगी क्योंकि जैसे हम लाइन खींचेंगे इसके अबाउट ये इस लाइन के अबाउट भी सिमेट्रिक नहीं होगा, इस लाइन के अबाउट भी नहीं होगा एंड इस लाइन के अबाउट भी नहीं होगा. सो देयर इज नो लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. पार्ट बी, सो हियर it's symmetric about a horizontal line. So about this line, upward direction and downward direction, both shapes are same exactly. So this is the line of symmetry, and a vertical line, this figure is also symmetric about vertical line. So here two lines of symmetry. And part C, one of symmetry line is vertical line and it is symmetric about horizontal line also, and one line of symmetry is along with diagonal and other is also. So here four lines of symmetry. So in part C there are four lines of symmetry. In part E it's symmetric about a vertical line and a horizontal line. So here two lines of symmetry is available. In part E, here this figure is symmetric about horizontal line and it's not symmetric about vertical line. So here only one line of symmetry. Figure F, this is symmetric about vertical line and horizontal line, and इन दो वर्टेक्स को ज्वाइन करेंगे हम. So this figure is also symmetric about this line and this line. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 lines of symmetry is available. So हमें ये ड्रॉ करना था. Trace each figure and draw the lines of symmetry. So in part A, no line of symmetry. In B, two lines of symmetry. In C, 4. In D, 2. And E, 1. And in F, 4 lines of symmetry. Thank you.